Hi, buddy. Sure hope you're having a great day. Yeah, we've seen some scattered showers, a few thunderstorms already today, and that's really going to be the story throughout the day today, Friday, and Saturday. Then we're going to take a break from the rain, but the heat is definitely going to be building its way on into the area. So we sure hope you have a great day today. I want to observe July for just a second. Let's talk about high temperatures in the month of July. We started off incredibly hot around the area, and then we saw a pattern change, and everything you see on the screen there is temperatures in the 90s are above average, the gray area is about average, and the blue area is below average. So when you look at the month in general, we actually ended up about 1.8 degrees warmer than average when you add up all these numbers and divide it by 31. So it was definitely a hot month, even though it's been trending a little bit on the cooler side. Now, we also saw an extremely dry start to the month. And remember, we were going into a drought, a severe drought in many parts of the area. Look at all these zeros out there. Not a whole lot of rainfall to start the month, and then we flipped the switch and look at all the rain that we saw. So really, when you look at the grand scheme of things, even though we were starting off on the dry side and we actually saw the drought continuing to pick up, we ended the month only a quarter of an inch behind average. Not too terribly bad. And July is the hottest month, the wettest month of the year. One of the hottest months as well. High pressure is going to be building its way on into the area. Then we're tracking another disturbance to our north and northwest. That's what's going to kick off the heat. That's what's going to kick off the showers and thunderstorms. Excessive heat around the area. And the National Weather Service has added a heat advisory for today till 8 o'clock this evening for the central and southern valley. So we're talking about heat indices pushing close to 105 plus degrees. We also have a chance for some isolated strong to severe thunderstorms and the potential for some localized flooding concerns across the Tennessee, Kentucky, Virginia border. So the National Weather Service has extended once again our flood watch until Friday morning. So medium category for damaging wind gusts. Efficient rain producers are going to lead to potential of localized flooding or flash flooding issues anywhere we get the rain. But again, I've added heat there because we're talking about heat indices pushing close to 105 to 108 degrees around the area. So we've seen some scattered showers already today. Watch out for some showers and thunderstorms as we get some energy to swing its way on through the area during the day today. Some of those storms could become a little bit stronger. And then partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies overnight tonight. Now, again, don't look at these numbers. This is just a model guidance giving us an idea, but not everyone has the chance for seeing showers and thunderstorms throughout the day today. But everybody's going to experience the heat. High temperatures will be in the low, mid, and upper 90s. Dew points are going to be in the mid to upper 70s, and that's going to lead to a heat index value pushing close to 105 plus degrees, and that's why we have that heat advisory in place. The heat stress is going to be increasing today. We'll do it again throughout the day tomorrow. So even by 6 o'clock tonight, we're at 88, feeling like 185 by 8, still feeling like 96. And even by 10 o'clock tonight, 81, and it's going to be muggy and warm. It's going to feel like 87 degrees. Now, as we wrap up the work week, we are talking about another chance for showers and thunderstorms to become strong to severe. So we're under a level 1 risk for severe weather, a level 1, and right along the Tennessee-Kentucky border, a level 2 risk for some localized flooding and flash flooding concerns, plus a lot more heat stress is going to pick up again on into our Friday. But we'll kind of diminish that as we get into Saturday. Why? Because, well, we've got a lot more rain on the way. Then the rain chances fade away Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Drier air is going to start to move its way on through, but the temperatures are going to warm. I'll explain here in just a few minutes. We're tracking a cold front for our Saturday time frame. That's really what's going to kick off some good solid scattered showers and thunderstorms wrapping around this low pressure system. The cold front will be responsible for dropping our humidity just a little bit. And on Saturday, thanks to the rain and the clouds, we'll see those temperatures come back to those seasonal averages. But notice those temps climb back into the mid to upper 90s as we get into the first full week of August next week. But again, dew points staying elevated all the way through the weekend, gradually drop a little bit, but not a whole lot. So high dew points are going to stick with us. Not a huge change in the dew points thanks to that cold front. So while Saturday will still be muggy, we're still going to have a heat index value of about 95. But then we push back into the low 100s as we get into our Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday time frame. And the white line you see is our heat advisory criteria, which is 105 degrees or hotter. And it looks like this pattern is going to stick with us for maybe the first week to couple weeks of August. So if you're not a big fan of the heat, well, you just have to wait a month or two, and then we'll get into the months of fall, the fall months, I should say, and things will begin to cool off. Track the storms, track the heat, track the weather every single day with the East Tennessee Weather app. Just go to your app store and search East TN Weather, all one word. It's everything you need for weather right here in East Tennessee. We sure hope you have a great day. Try to stay as dry as you can and as cool as you can. Your next weather update's coming up at 5 o'clock.